This is my Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 that I received from Amazon. I love this machine. It works really well. I have it set up for a basic straight stitch. It works nice. It's quiet. It's easy to adjust the stitches on here. It works really well. If you want to change a stitch again, just come over here, select your next stitch, come over here, and it has a thing here to raise the needle, and it also has an automatic thread cutter. It works really well. The stitches look really nice, perfect. Came great in the box. I'm very satisfied. I would highly recommend this machine. It has a lot of stitches, and I was able to go on YouTube and very easily learn how to use it. It does come with an instruction manual, which was very helpful. So, good machine. Highly recommend it.
Sewing machine that my wife wanted. A little expensive, but for what you're getting, it's worth every penny. It does a lot. It does a lot of different functions, different sewing options. It's kind of crazy. Here's the side of it, the on-off switch. There's plenty of line for what you need. This is the extension for doing embroidery and quilting and stuff like that. This is the actual part of the table that is in the table for regular sewing features and what it does. My wife loves it. It's quite large. This thing is huge. Anyway, goodbye for my wife. She's very happy with it, and she loves me for getting it for her.
Okay, 1 year to the day of when I purchased my Singer Quantum Stylist, and it has stopped working. It will not sew. The thread cutter also doesn't work. I'm actually in the middle of a project, so I'm going to just slide it under. I'm going to lower the presser foot, try to hold my camera at once, and I'm just going to lower the needle because that way I'll make sure I'm where I want to be. But as you can see, it will not complete a sew. It looks like it's sewing, but it's actually not. It's actually no thread that's going through the machine. So, great. Not what you want after a year of having a sewing machine.
Okay, I have to do this in smaller segments. So the feed dogs button is to down. They look like they're down. The machine's off. I have the pressure foot up. Okay, I'm gonna drop that down and push that towards the up. Doesn't do anything. There, it locks in that way. Will it drop? I think it did drop. Okay. I've got to start a new video.
Where the bobbin is, I had to take off that part and that part here in order to follow the thread. Why was it not working? I hardly use this machine at all. I'm so disappointed. Singer will do nothing for me. Don't buy this machine. Stay away from it.
Trying again.